In this video, I am going to guide you about checking driver ratings on Lyft as a passenger. Knowing driver ratings helps you make informed decisions for a safe trip. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Lyft app on your smartphone. 2. Enter your destination in the Where to search bar. 3. Choose your preferred ride type from the available options. 4. Tap on a ride option to view details. 5. The driver estimated rating will be shown under their profile. 6. Check the driver's rating before confirming the ride. 7. If the rating is too low, you can select a different ride option. 8. Confirm the ride when you are satisfied with the driver's ratings. You have successfully checked the driver's rating before reserving a ride. This helps you ensure a safe and comfortable ride experience. Always review the details before confirming your trip.